Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet the chain loop border, which is a nice edging for a scarf, shawl, or blanket. The stitch multiple is the number of colors you want to use. Since I'm using 3 colors for this sample, my stitch multiple is 3. To begin, chain 1 and make a single crochet, and then chain 6. Remove your crochet hook. Place the chain forward. With your next color, make a slip knot on your hook. Then place it in the next stitch over and make a single crochet. And chain 6. To get more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Place this chain in the front too. Start the 3rd color, and in the next stitch, make a single crochet. Then chain 6. Start with the 1st color again, and keep those other 2 chains laying in the front of the work. Reach over, and in the next stitch, make a single crochet, and then chain 6. Place the next color on your hook again. Reach over to the next stitch and make a single crochet. It is important to keep the other chains in the front of the work. Chain 6. Take the next color, reach over, and make a single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 6. Keep repeating the colors in order across this side. For blankets, just keep going around the corners, always placing your single crochet in the next stitch. Now, at the end, you will have the 3 chains remaining. What I like to do is cut the yarn and pull the yarn through to fasten off each chain. And then take a yarn sewing needle and wrap the chains around to the back. Place a few stitches in the back to secure the chains and weave in all of the ends. And that's how I make the chain loop border edging.